Hello, I would like to share my experience with learning options with the Dorian Trader. My interest in trading options started several years ago. I have been watching trading videos on YouTube and had purchased several option courses. However, it wasn't until I joined the Dorian Trader in October of 2023 that I felt that I had found a program to teach and guide me on my option trading journey. The Dorian Trader course helped me to understand the basics as well as giving me the opportunity to interact with the instructors to help clarify the various option trading strategies, and surprisingly even helped me when my trade has gotten in trouble. This interaction is invaluable and I believe is unique to the Dorian Trader program. The instructors have years of experience, and as I said, you are able to directly interact with them. I highly recommend considering the Dorian Trader program, whether you are interested in options as a hobby or wish to make it your career.